Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I'm still kind of on a Steven Universe fan art kick. I just can't stop. So yeah, I just decided to sketch Lapis in my sketchbook because I was working on commissions and the sun was like lasering into my apartment, like right exactly onto my Cintiq, and like only the Cintiq, so it was getting kind of annoying, and like I feel like it's probably not a good idea to work when your display doesn't have the greatest colors, especially not paid work, so I just dropped it and started making a sketchbook video. So yeah, I drew a Lapis. I just wanted to draw her with her yellow belt. It didn't turn out that bright because I got some blue in the yellow, of course. But overall I really like it. It's like a simple pose, but like there's still some action to it or whatever. Lapis is one of my favorite characters design-wise, so yeah, and only drawing one pair of arms was a welcome break. But yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy the video now, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.